Children, now we studied a wheel with a groove and a thread. So that is called as a pulley. Now the next and the last type of simple machine is a wheel. Children, herein you have to keep in mind this wheel is with a axle, a wheel and a axle. Okay. So this wheel is very common. It makes our work very easy. Herein a giant wheel is shown which you enjoy too much. You may have visited the fair wherein you may have sit in this a giant wheel. So this giant wheel is a wheel which is having an axle. Your bicycle is a wheel with an axle. A wheel in which in between that if rod is there, that is called as an axle. Okay. So when you rotate the pedal of your bicycle, the wheel starts rotating. Okay. You are rotating the pedal, but your wheel starts rotating. This is only because to that wheel an axle is attached. You know that nowadays our luggage bag have a wheels. Therein also the axle is there which helps that wheel to move. Okay. So there are different examples of these types of wheels with an axle where when we move to that axle, that wheel starts rotating and it makes our work easier. Children, if you remember, you must be knowing that how your parents were carrying the luggage with their bags to a longer distance through that platform. Nowadays, as sloping platforms are there and our bags are with a wheel, it has become very easy to carry the luggage. So, in this way, we can say that a wheel and an axle is a simple machine, one of the important simple machine. Children, we had studied the 5 different types of simple machine. Whatever the simple machines we are using or whatever the work we are doing and therein we are using some machines, these are divided into 5. So which are that? An inclined plane, axle, wedge, lever of 3 types, then pulley and a wheel with axle. Okay. So after this, in the revision on Monday, I will show you the different types of machines, simple machines, and you have to identify what type of simple machine is there. So on Monday, when there will be the Zoom meeting, I will just show you the machine. You should be ready with your copy and a pen to note it down. Okay. In exam, definitely you will have that type of question. Identify the following simple machines and their type. Okay. Now next, as we are using the simple machine for doing our work, it is our duty to take part of this machine. If we are take care of this machine, if we are not taking care of the machine, what will happen? That machines will get rust. That machines may get damaged due to continuous use. So we have to take care of these machines. Okay. You must be knowing that in many of the factories, Wednesday is generally kept as a maintenance day because as machines are working continuously, they should be maintained, they should be oiled because parts of the machine get rubbed against each other. Sometimes they may get dusty. Sometimes they may get affected by the weather. So these machines becomes useless if we are not taking their care. So avoid this. We have to take its care. So how to take the care? While taking the care of this simple machine, we have to maintain its part. We should wipe them clean, and after that we have to keep them covered so that it will not be affected by the dust which is present outside. Third is that we have to oil the machine parts, because oil parts get rubbed against each other. So we have to avoid it. We have to means to maintain its efficiency, we have to oil those parts. After that, we should paint the parts of the machine. We have to paint the parts of the machines externally so that it will not get affected by the rusting or the atmospheric weather. Then machines should always be kept in the dry place so that they will not rust. Okay, these are the different ways in which we have to take care of the machines. Children, keep in mind, if machines are not properly maintained, they will be of no use when we actually need it. So, whenever we are using the machines, maybe any machines, complex machine like mixer or washing machine, therein these machines should be used. After using the machines, we should wipe them clean and keep it in dry place so that we will able to use them whenever we are in need. So before using the machine also, we have to clean it. We should handle the machine in a proper way so that these machines will not cause any problem or any damage. Okay, children? Thank you.